In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable the Grammarly Writing Assistant in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to take a break from suggestions or need them active to refine your writing, these steps will guide you effortlessly through the process. To begin, you'll want to be either in Google Docs or any supported browser where the Grammarly extension is active. Ensure that your interface is ready so we can dive directly into the necessary steps. This tutorial assumes that you already have Grammarly installed on your browser, which is essential for these options. The first thing we're going to do is locate the Grammarly icon. This typically appears in your browser's toolbar or near the editing area if you're in Google Docs. The icon is usually a green circle with a G, standing out against most backgrounds, making it easy to spot once you know where to look. This is your main point of interaction with Grammarly's settings. Once you've found the icon, simply click on it. Doing so will bring up the Grammarly dashboard. This dashboard is where all the magic happens, giving you access to various settings and options. If you've clicked it and nothing seems to happen, ensure that pop-ups aren't being blocked by your browser, as sometimes settings can be hidden this way. Next, look for the power button within the dashboard. It's usually easy to identify, often depicted as a toggle switch or similar icon, which lets you control the activation status of Grammarly. Clicking it when it's activated switches it off and vice versa. It's as straightforward as turning a light switch on or off. If you wish to disable Grammarly, simply select the option to turn it off from this menu. This will stop Grammarly from providing any writing suggestions or corrections, giving you a more uninterrupted writing experience. It's perfect when you just want to write freely without any assistance or checking. Conversely, if you later decide you want Grammarly's help again, enabling it is just as easy. Go back to the extension settings where the toggle is located and switch it back on. This reactivates the writing assistant, ready to help improve your grammar, punctuation, and style. Finally, it's always a good idea to ensure that your extensions are enabled within the browser settings. Navigating to your browser's extension menu allows you to see which toggles are active. Here, you ensure that the Grammarly extension toggle is turned on, providing you instant access anytime you're writing online. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily control whether Grammarly is assisting you or taking a back seat. This flexibility can be particularly helpful depending on your different writing needs and preferences. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.